have heard that the Open Sky credit card actually do give credit limit increases, which is different because they're a secure credit card and they don't graduate. So you're not going to graduate to an unsecured credit card. So that's very different that they even give increases. But I did hear that they give increases. So definitely call them, double check, and say, hey, I heard that you guys gave increases, just to confirm that they're actually giving out those increases. But I did see comments that people got increases with Open Sky, and I'm like, really? That is different. But definitely call them and double check. Now let's go ahead and look at that Open Sky credit card. So here is the Open Sky credit card. It is a secure credit card. They have an annual fee of $35. Your credit limit can be between $200 and $3,000. You can automatically do your own credit limit increase by adding more money to your secured amount. I don't suggest that. I suggest that whatever amount you put down, just let them continue to report. And then as your credit score go up, get you other credit cards that's not secured anymore. Like, don't keep adding to this amount just because you want a higher limit. When they start reporting to the credit bureaus, because they report to all 3 credit bureaus, when they start reporting, your credit score should go up. And as your credit scores go up, try to see if there's credit cards out there that you guys can pre-qualify for without a hard inquiry. So, and they don't give you a hard inquiry when you apply for this credit card. It's not a credit check at all. They just want to verify your identity. But it is a secure credit card, so I'm not sure if they give you an increase, but I have seen comments about people getting increases. Just call to